Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So this is the Easy Postage Printable and it's called Valentine from LV Handcrafted, and it's on her website and it's brand new and it's so pretty for Valentine's Day or love or just anything. I love it for birthday as well. And I'm going to use, well, I will be using this die later, and it's at the Not Too Shabby shop, and it's called the Easy Wonder Die number 3, or actually it's number 3. I have 1, 2, and 3, and the add-ons are on my wish list, although some I believe I'm on the waiting list. So, and I'm going to try and use 2 different dies this time because that piece is so big that I said I could get 2 cards out of this. And look how pretty. So, and they're stitched, and I'm just going to ink blend them and figure out how to cut out my squares. Here I will be using the Easy Die Wonder 3, or I think I'm saying it wrong. Easy Wonder Die number 3. I don't have it on my desk, so I went blank, but I will have it in the description. And I'm just going to use some dried marigold. I will be using some spun sugar distress oxide inks. And this is a giveaway video, so I am giving away 4 kits. And Lynn from LV Handcrafted was so generous to offer for me to give away some kits, and these are digital kits. So, and I'm giving away 2 on my YouTube channel, so you must be subscribed, and I would love it if you subscribe to LV Handcrafted as well. And you can also subscribe to the newsletter. That would be amazing. And I will give away one who subscribes to my blog, and one, I will be giving a kit to if you follow my Instagram. So that is 4 places. And so you can leave me a comment telling me where you're following me from. That would be amazing. And that way I can keep track and write down. And that way you have 4 chances to win. So, and I will give you a code, and that way you can, win a digital kit. And it's so amazing because you get so much in the kit and you get so much to make so many cards, and you get sentiments, and it's just brilliant. So I cut out this big postage and I just love it. And then I cut out those 2 small ones, and I'm trying to see how I want to use them. And here is another part of the kit where you have sentiments. Or actually, this is from another kit that I'm using. It's the Gnome Love Sentiments. And it's also another kit that Lynn has on her website. So I'm going to use her new universal die here, and it cuts the sentiments. And she also has a stamp set at the Not Too Shabby shop. So I would look for that as well. I will leave those in the description. You could use my affiliate links. That would be amazing. I'm going to use her die here to cut out this big happy V-Day. I just love the font on this, and I love that she prints in black, or does these kits in black. So I have some black sentiments here, or black printed sentiments. Easier than embossing on paper. And she also does them in white as well. So I am going to have tons of sentiments, and I'm super excited about that. So I'm just putting my cards together. So make sure and subscribe, follow me, follow Lynn, and subscribe to her as well. Tell me where you are following me in the description down below. And this giveaway will end in a week. So I am putting this, scheduling this video for the 15th of January. So actually I'm scheduling it for the 16th of January. So today is January 16th. And so a week later will be, let me see, January 23rd. And I'm going to ink blend the sentiment a little bit with the spun sugar to match. And so I believe I will have it end on midnight on the 23rd of January. So I will announce the winners on this video and tag you and let you know if you are a winner. I will also put it in my stories if you are a winner there for Instagram, my blog. I will have my links down below so you know where to go. And so much fun. So I am super excited for you to win a digital kit. And just so amazing. And I think that's just amazing of Lynn. So thank you, Lynn, for doing this giveaway with me. Super excited. And I love using your products. So, and I'm excited how these cards are just so pretty. And I'm going to have to print some more because I just love how they came out. The color is just so pretty. And I can't wait to use the gnome kit. That's going to be so much fun. I'm going to print that one out. And so I have my A2 card. I put foam tape in the back of my sentiments. And then everything else will be glued with liquid glue. And I was going to use a stapler to put these two together, but I'm just going to use glue. And I'm using an A2 pink card base, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I'm not sure what size this slimline is because those card bases were, I ordered them from Tailored Expressions and then I forgot what size they were. But it fits this stitched slimline panel that I cut out the kit with, and that's from Pink Fresh Studio, so I think it looks perfect and cut it out perfectly. I'm going to have a white space on the side, as you will see in just a second. So my heart smiles because of you. I love that. I have these butterflies in my stash, so grab your stickers, or I know you have embellishments that you don't use. And I haven't used these, but I thought it looked good with this kit. I like butterflies. I think they're vintage to me. They can look vintage. Every time I see a vintage card, there's a butterfly or a postage or something. And that sticky part came off and I was going to put it back, and I just decided to grab a new one because I was fussing with it too much, too long, and I just said, I'm going to grab a new one. I'll figure that one out later. I added some liquid glue and put it on my card, and I just love how it came out. And my friend sent me for Christmas a different kind of envelope. It was a little thicker and had more room. And I'm going to use that. I'm going to order those and it will be perfect for this embellishment that's on top of this card so that it won't get smashed or fall off. And just using my liquid glue. And so I will have everything in the details for you, and I love that I can give something away to you because that is exciting and a great way to start off 2026. So happy New Year as well. Hope you had a wonderful holiday. And then I will just glue that. I actually ripped on there because it was sticky. But that's okay. I'm going to cover it up. I was going to put it that way anyways. So no big deal. And I love things hanging off there, off my edges there. I love wonky cards. And then I will just glue that on there. You can add embellishments, but I chose not to on this one. And I love how both cards came out. Let me know which card you like the most. The A2 card, the mini slimline card, or both? I would love to know. And here's a close-up. I will be back soon with the winner of or winners of my giveaway.